Hello everyone. In this project, I created an automated product analysis system using n8n, Google Sheet, Looker Studio, PowerShell, and CSV dataset. This automation accepts a product dataset, analyze the data, calculate important business metrics, upload the Google Sheet automatically, and displays the final result in an interactive Looker Studio dashboard. Let me show you the architecture of this automation. So as you can see, the architecture start from CSV dataset. After that, PowerShell sends the file to an n8n production webhook, and then n8 extracts the file, analyze the product record, prepare the product level and monthly summarize, and writes the result into Google Sheet. Then the Looker Studio is connected to the Google Sheet and displays the updated dashboard. Let me show you the schema in which our data is going to store. This is a schema. Let me explain you each cell. So this dataset contains the main parameter required for product analysis. I selected this parameter because they covers product identification, sales, profitability, inventory, customer satisfaction, and product return. The product ID is a unique identifier for each product. The product name. The product name is used to display the readable product name in the dashboard. The category allows us to compare and filter the product by category. The date is used to group the transaction in monthly trend. The revenue, most important. The revenue showcase the total sales generated. The cost is used to calculate the gross profit and gross margin. The inventory shows the available stock. The rating helps to measure the customer satisfaction. Final, the record form helps to identify products that needed to be restocked. These columns are enough to create a complete product performance dashboard while keeping the dataset easy to understand. So, for this automation demonstration, I am using a dataset containing multiple products and transactions across several months. The same automation can also process a large dataset containing thousands of rows, but as long as the CSV follows the same column parameters. Now let me show you the n8n workflow. So this is the workflow. There is a webhook name as receive product file. Then it goes to extract from file. Then it creates the products array. Then it analyzes the product data. After analyzing, it prepares the product row, prepare monthly trend, and create a separate Excel sheets named as save product detail and save monthly trend. And after analyzing, it automatically returns the dashboard to us. Now, let me explain you each node in detail. The first node is receive product file. It is a webhook, as you can see. It's a webhook configured with the post method, and the raw body is enabled because the CSV file receives the binary file data as well. And the most important, for setup for the name production URL, you have to set up the path name which is used at production level. Second, with extract from file. The next node. This node used to read the uploaded CSV file and converts every row into individual n8n items. For an example, if a CSV contains 110 rows, actually it's our data only, it contains 110 rows. This node creates an 110 items. Means 100 rows get converted into 100 items. Next, create product array. This creates a format required by the analysis node. Instead of processing each node separately, the complete data set is passed through the analysis. Next is analyze product data. This is the part where complete calculation takes place. This is the complete calculation. It calculates total revenue, total cost, gross profit, gross margin percentage, units sold, average selling price, return rate, inventory level, and product count as well. It also identifies the top product by revenue and profit. After complete analysis, it prepares two notes, that product row and monthly trend. Now, the product row converts the product summary into separate items. Each product become 181 item, and each item become one row in the product detail worksheet. For example, if the analysis contains 10 unique products, this node becomes 10 items. And similarly for the monthly trend. After the complete conversion and execution, the product row details is stored in product detail Google Sheet, and monthly trend saves in monthly trend Google Sheet. And after execution, the sheets, it automatically returns to a dashboard that helps us for further analysis. So let's run our automation. So for automation, we just need to check one thing, that the HTTP is in post for path and raw bodies. After that, you need to just open your terminal and need to paste this command. But but I've done a mistake. Let me reconnect it. I've done a mistake. Let me clear it first. So before running the command, first we have to execute the workflow, because if you don't execute the workflow, you can see the error happen. So click on execution and workflow, then go to terminal and paste this command. It will automatically fetch the data present in the local computer. Here is the local computer location. The file is stored in the n8n. Product showcases dataset of n8n. So as you click enter, it takes time. Yes. So as you can see, the data processed successfully. Total row count 110, product count 110, total revenue this much. Complete calculation has been done. So when you open your n8n, you can see the green color flow, which means the automation works perfectly. Now let's check the data has been gone from local store to our Google Excel. Yeah, so as you can see, the data has been gone to our Google Excel completely. There are total 110 rows. Let's check it. Yeah, 110. 111 means it counts the header part as well. Yeah. And let's check the monthly trend. Monthly trend also is perfect. Now, after this complete workflow, the dashboard is automatically created. Let me show you the Looker Studio. This is our Looker Studio dashboard. In this, we have to previously create an raw chart that contains the total revenue, gross profit, units sold, and a minor chart, the things which you needed, bar chart, graph chart. So as I view and click refresh data, it takes a little time. Let's refresh. So here is your complete graph, means the complete dashboard. Let me zoom out. Just a minute. Let me refresh it again because I can't see the right side panel. So there is a minor glitch. So I once again refresh. The chart look like this, and over the right side you can see both the dataset has been also loaded. So accordingly, you can change the dashboard as well. So yes, this is the complete automation of mine. So this automation reduces the main motive of creating this automation that help us the work user do not need to copy and paste the thousands of the rows into the spreadsheet or calculate the metrics manually. They only need to provide the CSV dataset. The remaining steps are completely automated by n8n. The future improvement I'm focusing on this project is to extend with regional analysis, supplier performance, monthly sales target, stock alert, email notification, and Postgres storage for very large data set because Postgres SQL is required. So these projects demonstrate the CSV processing, webhook injection, JavaScript data transformation, Google Sheet automation, and dashboard visualization using Looker Studio. This is my automated product dataset analysis system built using n8n. Thank you.